Today we're going to review about those two good coffee makers we can't get in stores anymore. Black & Decker Thermocraft coffee makers from Black & Decker kids. This one is a newer one, this one's a really old one. And you see the timer, I'm going to show you how it works. This thing right here to work, it comes right out. This one comes, you got two water containers. Comes out. And like that. And then you got two craft pots, nice new craft pot. An old craft pot. You got these. You got these basket things. That's how it works. When we get here, it's the two baskets you got. Pretty nice. Then my view of American coffee makers and was in here. It works really good and I recommend it. And that's how you work the thermocraft coffee maker kids. And when that's how you use these things, you turn this on, you can start brewing.